It's a hot and summer day and we are going now to go to the swimming pool. Aiden, are you ready? Aiden has his net, lots of swimming toys, a big yellow ball. So we are all set. Let's go and have some swim, right? Yes. Guys, I have a surprise for you. First surprise, new swimming suit. This is for you and this is for you. And this is for big boy. This is for you. And this is also for you.
Yay!
Obviously, such huge swimming pool is not the right place for a baby. It's super important to keep an eye on Aiden all the time. He's having a great time with his sibling and looks like he's in love with this big ball. Aiden is very happy for his brother and sister, but definitely he regrets that he cannot swim.
Aiden, it's only for the kids.
Aiden is watching his siblings and thinking when he will grow up. He's so sad walking around the bouncy castle.
You cannot come here, it's only for the kids.
Aiden is sitting on the side, playing by himself.
Now we decided to make a small water park for babies. You can make such lovely water park at the back of your house or even on terrace or a balcony. Just make sure you get some nice floaties, balls, colorful nets, balloons and water toys, and you will have a lot of fun with your kids and all the family.
Making baby pool and baby play area, it's a great way to encourage his brothers and sisters to help and to assist in this occasion. Aiden's brother and sister are busy unfolding this big swimming pool. It's a pleasure to see all kids engaged and busy pumping the floaties. Look at this little boy. He is using all his power to push this giant floaty out of the house.
Pool is ready!
The strongest boy, Haydar, is taking care of a big red swimming pool. So we ordered different and funny floaties and swimming pools, good and safe for the toddlers. Yeah, and it looks Aiden is really surprised and happy to see something really new in the backyard. He is also using his power and pushing this giant flamingo down in the yard. It seems he knows what he is doing. Yes, bravo Haydar, let's add some more boats and floaties. And this little jet ski is also a great option for a toddler.
Almost ready!
Such little home water park is great for babies' imagination, and it's a nice experience with water. So all kids and babies love water, and this little home water park is a great idea to spend a weekend together with the kids.
Baby water park is ready!
So we ordered floaties of different colors and different sizes to make sure that Aiden will enjoy. So looks like our surprise baby water park is a great fun for little Aiden, and he really enjoys playing today. For example, this sand and water table, I presume this is essential toy for all toddlers. He's exploring this pool, jungle theme. It has a wonderful mini basketball rink. It has a nice slide.
This is a pool for baby.
What can be better than playing together using your water toys in such wonderful swimming pool? I wish I was a baby myself. Yes, Aiden, let's toss and throw the ball. I recommend such inflatable ball as a water activity for all ages. Babies really love it and toddlers cannot stop playing with the balls. Yes, indeed, all kids are keen playing with the ball in the swimming pool. Such tiny slide is safe for a baby of Aiden's age. Aiden is trying to use a water gun. It is something new for him. Aiden is holding his little water gun and looks like he's ready for a water fight. Yes, everyone, get set and go! Let's have a water fight. This lovely, colorful and attractive water balloons, lots of fun for kids and babies. Just make sure they are used under your supervision.
I like this baby's water park. It's so nice.
We made sure Aiden has lots of colorful and bright toys like froggies and ducks.
Froggy, ducky, mommy and baby. Yeah, baby duck.
He keeps playing at his sand and water table and he enjoys opening the water in the step. He's trying to catch not only fish but cats, dogs and little cars. And this cute ice cream house. How sweet. Aiden got some ice cream and see he's so happy. So looks like Aiden appreciated all our efforts and he really liked the idea of the baby water park. Now he decided to ring the bell and to hide in his playhouse. Aiden is saying everyone bye-bye. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe.
Bye-bye.